Dole_horse says, hello. Dole Horse here. Toady image show you how to get SCPZ calls in Arena in Apex Legends. For the first round you wanna pick the cheapest weapon to save them juicy points. For now we will pick the worst weapons in the game. The Havocs and the Mozambique. Then you wanna get some juicy gamer juice from dem big chomtainers. It doesn't matter if you win or lose this first round, because this next hacks mean tip is gonna win the whole thing for you. Now this might get you banned in some countries for max hacks, so be careful utilizing this tips in your matches. Okay, so the secret is buying the best weapons in Arena. The Havocs and the Mozambique. Just max those motherfuckers out and go ham. Like this. This has been how to get SCPZ calls in Arena with Dole Horse. Lick and scrub scrib.